Hi guys, in this experiment I'm going to show you we are going to work on the dictionaries. So the first question is, we have three questions. So the first question is, this is a dictionary and we have to add a key to the inventory called pocket, and we have to set value of pocket. So I'll show you by doing the coding itself. So here this is the inventory, and see guys, so this is the inventory. So I've kept the inventory, gold pouch and backpack, and now it is showing add a key to the inventory called pocket. So inventory of pocket is equal to inventory of pocket we have added, and it is asked to set the value of pocket to be a list consisting of strings, seashells, strange berry and lint. So inventory of pocket is equal to seashell, strange berry and lint. So here I have, after adding I have printed the inventory. After that we have to sort the items in the list of backpack key. So inventory of backpack dot sort. After sorting we have printed, and then we have to remove the dagger from the list of backpack key. So inventory of backpack dot remove dagger. After removing we have printed. After that we have to increase the gold. We have to add the gold, add 50 to the number of the gold. So inventory of gold plus is equal to 50. Then print after adding gold. So now we'll run the program. See, after adding, this is the gold, this is the pouch, and this is the backpack, and this is pocket. Pocket was added. After sorting, the backpack is sorted. See, the backpack is sorted. After that, the dagger is removed from the backpack. After that, the gold is added, 50 is added to the gold value. So the second program is, write a Python script to print a dictionary where the keys are numbered between 1 to n and values are squares of the keys. So the values are squares of the keys. So this is very simple program. So d is equal to dictionary, n is equal to int of input, enter the range from 1 to n. For x in range 1 to n, for x in range 1 to the number of the user gives, then x is the key, and x we have to get the squares. So x into 2. So this means x into 2, x square. So x into x, and it is print d. So we'll run the program. See, it is asking range. I'll give 20. See, it is showing 1 1 2 2 2 is 4 3 3 is 9 4 4 16 is showing. And the third program that was given is, follow the steps, create new dictionary called prices and stock using format like example. Put these values in your price dictionary. So you have to put these values in price, you put these values in stock, then loop through each key and price. For each key, print out the key along with its price and stock information. Print the answer in the following format. Okay. So we have added in the price. In the price, we have created price dictionary prices. In these prices we have added the banana, apple, orange and pears. In stock we have added banana, apple and orange and pear. Then we have to loop through each key. So for food, in prices, print each key along with its price and stock information. So we have to print price and stock information. So print food, print price and stock. So the total is total plus money. So we'll run the program. We'll check. See, the bananas library, stock library. So for banana price is 4. stock. For apple price and stock, for orange price and stock. Total money is 117. Hence in this program we have deal with dictionaries. Thank you.